Hi, my name is Emily Kuzner-Laird, and today I will be giving you a quick walkthrough of setting up a page in Canvas. This tutorial will do two things: help you navigate your Canvas dashboard and rich content editor, and give you useful design tips to ensure your page complements and enhances your department, organization, or program. Today we're going to build a page together. I'll start with a quick tip. Before you go into Canvas to build your actual page, develop the content your page will play host to. This will save you time and effort. Think also about the design of your page. Will you want pictures, icons, maybe an infographic? Of course you do. There are some excellent resources for creating or finding visual elements. Here's a list of useful design references you can use. Okay, let's get to building our page. For this tutorial, we're starting from what will be your page on Canvas. So here we are in our sample page. At the top, you'll see a button that says Edit. Go ahead and select it. We're now in the back-end editor of your page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the title of the page lives here, and below it is the rich content editor, which you can think of as the artboard of your page. Whatever goes in here, your audience will see. You'll see some page navigation buttons are already set up. Those are visible on all pages and allow users to easily navigate through our online viral course. We'll leave those there, and below them, we'll begin to design our page. Content starts here. Perfect. You'll see the Rich Content Editor's tool panel offers a lot of different options. Let's run through them quickly. Let's just take this out and paste in some content. Boom. Go ahead and highlight this text, and we can walk through the first row. Bold it, italicize it, underline it, change the text color, highlight it. Yikes, that looks horrible. Luckily, we can clear its formatting. Play with the text alignment, left, center, right, subscripts, bulleted lists, and numbered lists. Have you ever used Microsoft Word? Sure you have. See, you're a whiz at this already. Now let's go through our second row. We can insert a table and have our text live in here. We can also insert media, such as YouTube videos. Just navigate to your YouTube video. We'll use this super awesome university dining video. Select Share in the bottom right, and then select Embed. Copy, paste or Control-V, select OK. We can center it or align it right or left, or even scroll over it, just as you would text, and hit backspace. This will delete it off your page. We can insert a link. Let's say we want this text to link to uwstout.edu. There you go, it's linked. We can unlink it by selecting here. Let's say you want to embed a link to a page within the Viral Canvas course. You'll see the Links tab up here. Expand the pages, find the page you're looking for. Let's select University Dining and Campus Card, and you'll see the element glow yellow. Congratulations, you've linked to a page. We can embed images on our page using an image URL, Flickr, or my personal favorite and recommendation, images uploaded to our Canvas site. Let's select Canvas, and we can upload into course files or my files. Within my course files, here's my test folder. Let's find my icon from earlier. I'm going to upload this. Now it's selected, and here's what we need to fill out. Alt text. This is very important for accessibility. If you're just putting an image, describe it. Hands clapping image, let's say. But I'm going to use this image as a link. I can also just tell Canvas that it's a decorative image, and the screen reader will ignore it. Now, like I said, I want this image to act as a link, maybe to an external space. Maybe we'll link to uwstout.edu again. So we'll select this image, hit that link button, uwstout.edu. There we go, we've linked it. But let's say I want to link this to University Dining's page. So let's remove our external link once again, select that image, and just like with our text example, we'll find that dropdown, and there we go. We've now linked it to that other Canvas page. You can insert math equations if you're really trying to impress your users. You can add things from the Canvas Commons library, which is certainly more advanced, and we won't be doing any of that here. We can embed a Kaltura capture media video if you want to do a screen capture training such as this one, or record audio or video. So that's kind of neat. We can select here and put in some audio. Right to left or left to right text support. You will probably not need this. Finally, font sizes, text weights, and the accessibility checker. The accessibility checker will catch things such as missing alt text on images. Okay, we have a better understanding of our rich content editor, so let's build our page. I'm going to start by giving my page a title. Welcome to the sample page. So for this, I'm going to center it, make it a header 2, and bold it. Let's just save this and see what it looks like. You want to save often and take a look at your page. Okay, this looks good. Let's go back in. We'll add a string of lorem ipsum or dummy text just for the layout here. Now let's add a video from our department. So let's grab that awesome dining video again and drop that in here. We'll center it, and perfect. Now let's add another section. So I want to make a header for this section, but it's not the top title page. So let's make it instead a header 3. We'll bold it and hey, give it a little flair by making it a dark navy. I'll add some content, and then to jazz it up, I'll give this section some additional content with an embedded image. I personally like to do that with tables. So let's insert a table. We'll put our hands clapping icon in the left cell. And some content in the right cell. Go ahead and click Save. And oofta. That looks okay, but not great. Back into our editor we go. Select inside your table and you'll see the table menu comes up. You'll also find the same options from the table button in the menu up here. In fact, this is how you'll merge cells if you need to. But for this, what I really want to do is keep my table without being able to see my table. So I'm going to select Table Properties, and you'll see in here the border is set to 1. Delete that so it's empty. Now for good measure, I'm going to center my hands icon and save. That looks a lot cleaner. I'm much happier with it. All right, now maybe I'll go in and add another section. Another header 3 for this title so we're consistent. That same navy blue font color. A little content, but this time I want to put some custom graphics in this space right here. And you're like, hold on, I'm not a designer. I don't know Photoshop. Well, you don't have to. Let's open up PowerPoint. Yes, PowerPoint. We're going to open a new blank slide, which will be our workspace. Let's start with a rectangle, sort of like a banner. All right, so we can go to the fill, change the color if we want to. We can go to outline, and I probably don't want an outline for this one, so let's get rid of it. There, we have a banner. Now what's really great about PowerPoint is it's going to give us the option to insert a variety of things, but one of those is icons. Select icons, and you have a whole assortment of fun things you can choose from. So for this, let's go ahead and select this little artist man. Insert. We'll maybe size him up a hair. Now, let's right click on him and change his fill color to something that pops a little bit better with our banner. Ooh la la, I like that. All right, let's insert some text. some text. Perfect. Go ahead and drag this down into here. We can add some editing effects to this text. Maybe we'll bold it, make it a little bit bigger, change its color so it kind of stands out a little bit better. Fantastic. Great. We can also embed or insert from pictures images on this device. So let's go back and get our hands again. Here we go, put them in. We'll shrink them down, drop them in. Now, what we'll need to do is select all these elements. So you can hold down Shift, select your banner, select your little artist, your text, your hands. You can either right-click and select Group, or Control G if you're super sophisticated. Select Group. Now right-click again, Save as Picture. And we'll just switch this file type to JPEG and go ahead and save it as artistic banner. Oof, we are an artist now. Perfect. It's all saved out. So we navigate back to our Canvas page. And right here in that section we were looking at where we wanted to kind of jazz it up, go up to the menu bar, Embed Image, Canvas, Course Files, go down to Test. I'm going to upload it into there. Here's our artistic banner. Open. Alt text if you so choose. I'm going to just tell this one to give me a decorative image. Now this dimension is a little large. I'm going to instead take it down to 900 and it's going to size that out for me. Update. Go ahead and click Save. Wow. Would you look at that? We put a banner onto a page. Very good. I think you're starting to see how you can make your Canvas page really personal to your department, organization, or group, and really sophisticated. I want to thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and good luck.